Video I show you how to fix YouTube no internet connection. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for YouTube, up to date your YouTube app if available any update version. Now search for VPN, install it, then go to settings, then go to apps. Now search for YouTube app, tap on YouTube, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, clear cache. Now open VPN, next accept, install VPN profile, OK, not now, tap on connect. Now open YouTube app. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube no internet connection problem. Thanks for watching.